Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's do a full tutorial on the Nubian twist. And the style we're going to do today, I call it the single installation crochet method. And this method, I love it is because for someone who wants the Nubian twist to last a little bit longer, and for someone who has very soft hair that unravels faster, this style of installation is the best one for you. So we start with the tuckouts. Actually, I didn't know before these ones are called tuckouts. The ones that the 3 strands that you do the natural hair. But ever since I knew the name, guys, now it's so easy and I can tell you all. So for those ones who don't know, they are called tuckouts, and we are starting with them. And then now we'll go ahead and install the Nubian twists. All right. So if you're new to this channel, before I continue, please do not leave without touching that subscribe button for more updates and for more tutorials on various hairstyles. All right, so as we continue doing the tuckouts, we're going to do the full head tuckouts, and then we'll start installing the Nubian twist. Of course, there's a different way of doing the Nubian twist, which is the direct installation. But since my client wanted them to last for at least 4 to 6 weeks, I decided to go with the tuck out, the single installation crochet method. That's how I call it. But also, if you want me to do the other style of installation of the Nubian twist, you can just tell me in the comment section and I'll be happy to do that. I'll be more than happy actually to do the other tutorial. So if you want to learn both installation methods, you can just let me know in the comment section. So after doing the tuckouts, the full head, we're going to start with the Nubian twist installation. And the Nubian twists that I use today are 2 packs, and they are in color 127. So let me show you the pack that I used. This is what I was able to find, 2 packs. So what we normally do, each strand we separate it into 2 so that we can have more Nubian twists. Like I don't take the full strand, as you can see here, I've separated each strand into 2 so that I may be able to get a full volume of the Nubian twists. All right, so that the Nubian twist can be enough actually. And the gel that I'm using for plating is this one. This is called Siri gel. Actually, it's very good. It doesn't have the white stuff. It holds properly. It moisturizes the scalp. That is why I prefer this one. There are different wax you can use out there, but I prefer this one. I work with this one because it's also actually affordable. All right, so yeah, we are continuing with the installation already. So I'm going to give you the details on how you can actually twist these Nubian twist so that you can have that bouncy curly look. Actually, there's a way you do them, and I realized that there are 2 types of twisting. Okay, one, for some hair it makes them very straight, and the other method, it makes them curly and bouncy. So especially these hairs that have curls, it's a little bit tricky, so you have to learn and study both of the twisting methods. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So for these Nubian twists, so once we crochet them, we secure each at the scalp. So we start twisting. You actually tighten the Nubian twist up to where the client's hair reaches, at least so that the hair can stay intact for longer. We do not have cases of the hair coming out after a week or 2. All right, and then after that, the rest we do loose twisting. By loose twisting, I mean don't tighten the Nubian twist, just do it loosely. It's like crisscrossing that Nubian twist in order to achieve the bouncy look and curly look and fuller volume and all that. And another advantage of this kind of installation method is that after installation, your client won't feel so much pain. There's no tension. There's 0 tension on the client's hair, and that is very good because it's a protective hairstyle and it prevents a lot of hair breakage when you use such method. Okay, so as you can see here, after securing it at the scalp, now we secure it a little bit more with a small tuck out, and then now we start the twisting. And for the twisting, make sure you twist the twist going to your left side direction. I think you understand there are two types of twist. One goes to the right side, and that is a different way of twisting, and the other one goes to the left side. Now, there are some types of hairs whereby when you do the left side, it gets the curls. When you do the left side, some gets the straight ear twist. So for Nubian twist, we do it going to the left. All right, for this type of Nubian twist, we do it going to the left, and then the rest you just crisscross and just go with the flow, and the Nubian twist just folds, like it just comes out perfectly. Okay, so it depends. So up to there, if you really do have any question, you can ask in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer it. So here we are still, you crochet it. So that is the how you install the Nubian twist. We crochet so that it stays intact for longer, and then yeah, we secure it, and then we start the twisting. And I love this style because it's very light. It's very light on the head, so you can actually go swimming with it without any problems, without feeling the heaviness on the head. You can do so many things. You can do your workout. You can wash it when you feel like it's a little bit dusty or dirty. You can wash the hair. So those are the many advantages of the Nubian twist. And as I said earlier, it's a very great protective style. So at the end, what we normally do, we trim it so that we get a very neat outcome at the end. So if you don't trim at the end, you might get a rough ends, let me say it like that way. Yeah, so make sure after you're done, every strand you trim it at the end, and that is how you see how they come out very neatly. And there are so many colors out there for Nubian twist. You just have to find your favorite and you go with it. And yeah, they are very modern, stylish. It's a very modern and stylish hairstyle. And here we are done. After that, you can moisturize this client's scalp and spray some hairspray on the Nubian twists to just keep the shine, or if you have a mousse, you can do that and apply on the Nubian twist to keep the hairs intact for longer. So that's it from me today, guys. If you have any questions, please, you can just ask them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. And remember to click that subscribe button and the post notifications bell. Do not forget it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you in my next video, guys. So until then, that is the final look, and goodbye.